everyone. Today we are going to practice writing sentence pattern 6. And this is crucial because sentence pattern 6 is the #1 error that students make. First, I'm going to start off with an independent clause or a complete thought or sentence. I stayed up late watching the Olympics. I'm assuming many of you did also. All right. Now, we know this is a sentence. How? Because we have a subject and a verb. To make this sentence pattern 6, you'll see that we need a dependent clause. What in the world is a dependent clause? A dependent clause is a sentence that starts with, or a clause, meaning it has a subject and a verb, that starts with any of these words. And I'm going to start with the word because. Because I stayed up late watching the Olympics. Can I put a period here? Absolutely not. This is now a dependent clause, a clause because it has a subject and a verb, dependent because it starts with the word because and it can no longer stand on its own. All right, the next thing I'm going to do, if looking at our sentence pattern 6, is insert a comma. Then I need, according to the pattern, another independent clause, or simply put, a sentence. Because I stayed up late watching the Olympics, I am tired today. Period. Cool. Notice that I could use another marker word here. They're actually called subordinating conjunctions, but I don't want you to worry about that. I could also use the word since. Since I stayed up late watching the Olympics, I am tired today. What's absolutely crucial is that you have a comma after your dependent clause. Just follow this pattern. Okay, we'll do another example. I'm going to start with the word when. When I write using sentence pattern 6, can this stand on its own? Nope. If I cover up the word when, I write using sentence pattern 6. Is that a clause? Absolutely. You have a subject and a verb. Okay. So when I write using SP6, here is my dependent clause. It needs a buddy. Okay. I'm going to put my comma. When I write using SP6 comma, I am creating a complex sentence, which, folks, is a good thing. So, later we will learn how to combine sentence pattern 6 with other patterns to make compound complex sentences. But for now, if you remember that anytime you start with any of these words here, you're always going to need a comma and then another independent clause or complete sentence. See ya.